Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, the channel where we take a closer look at the products you care about. Today, we're diving into the Waring Commercial MX1300XTS, a heavy-duty blender designed for high-volume environments. With a 3.5 HP motor, a 64-aught stainless steel container, and a programmable LCD display, this blender promises powerful performance. But does it deliver what it claims? Let's find out. The Waring Commercial MX1300XTS is built for businesses or serious home users who need a blender capable of handling large quantities without compromising on performance. It boasts a 3.5 horsepower motor, which allows it to achieve up to 45,000 RPMs, delivering high-speed blending for even the toughest ingredients. The 64-aught stainless steel container is both durable and capable of holding large volumes, making it ideal for making multiple drinks at once. The blender features 4 programmable beverage stations, allowing for quick selection of commonly used recipes, while the easy-to-clean electronic membrane keypad and blue backlit LCD screen provide a user-friendly interface. The sound enclosure, which helps keep noise levels down during operation, makes it a great choice for environments where noise can be a concern, such as coffee shops or smoothie bars. It's recommended for producing 75+ drinks per day, and it's ETL and NSF certified, ensuring it meets industry standards for commercial use. Using the MX1300XTS in real-world conditions, I found it to be a powerful workhorse. Setting it up was simple, thanks to its intuitive controls. The 4 programmable stations are a huge time saver, especially when you're in a busy environment and need to quickly make the same drink multiple times. I tested it with various ingredients, including ice, frozen fruits, and even tougher vegetables like kale. The motor's power made quick work of everything, and I was impressed with how smoothly the blender handled even the toughest tasks. The pulse function, with its burst of speed, allowed me to fine-tune the texture of smoothies, and the blender's ability to achieve high RPMs made blending fast and efficient. One thing to note is the sound level. The sound enclosure does help, but this is still a powerful machine, so it's not completely silent. However, it's definitely quieter than many other commercial blenders in the same category. In terms of strengths, the MX1300XTS truly shines when it comes to its power and capacity. The 3.5 HP motor ensures that it can handle heavy-duty tasks, and the 64-aughts container is perfect for making large batches of drinks, whether you're running a cafe or hosting a party. The programmable stations are a fantastic feature for anyone who needs to streamline their workflow and save time. Another positive is the ease of cleaning. The membrane keypad and stainless steel container make it straightforward to wipe down after use. On the flip side, the size of the blender might be a concern if you're short on counter space. It's built for heavy-duty use, so it's larger and bulkier than standard home blenders, which might not be ideal for everyone. While the sound enclosure does reduce noise, this blender is still quite loud during operation, which might be something to consider in quieter environments. Additionally, while the price reflects its commercial-grade features, it might be a bit steep for home users who only need a blender for occasional use. When it comes to value for money, the Waring MX1300XTS is definitely built for businesses that need a reliable, high-performance blender for daily use. If you're running a cafe, smoothie bar, or juice shop and need to make dozens of drinks a day, this blender can easily justify its price. Compared to other commercial blenders in this price range, the MX1300XTS stands out with its programmable stations and the powerful 3.5 HP motor, which makes it an excellent choice for high-demand environments. However, for a home user who doesn't need to make large quantities, this may not be the best value proposition. There are other blenders that offer solid performance at a lower price point, but they might not have the same capacity or power as this one. For professional use, though, this is a strong contender. If we compare the Waring MX1300XTS to other commercial blenders on the market, such as the Blendtec Stealth 885 or the Vitamix XL, the Waring stands out with its powerful motor and programmable features, which are excellent for businesses needing consistency in their drink preparation. The Blendtec Stealth 885 offers similar power and is quieter, but the Waring has the edge with its programmable stations, making it more suited for high-volume environments. The Vitamix XL, while also powerful, doesn't have the same specialized features like the programmable settings, making the Waring a more tailored choice for some businesses. All three blenders are priced similarly, so it comes down to what specific features you need. The Waring's additional programmability may give it a slight advantage for establishments looking to increase efficiency. Looking at the build quality, the MX1300XTS is solidly constructed with a focus on durability. The 64-aught stainless steel container is both sturdy and resistant to wear, while the overall machine feels built to withstand the rigors of commercial use. Over time, commercial blenders like this one can take a beating, but the Waring is designed to hold up, especially when used properly. While long-term data on this specific model might not be fully available, the brand itself has a solid reputation for producing reliable commercial equipment, which makes me confident in its durability. If you ever find yourself needing customer support, Waring is known for providing good service, especially for their commercial products. I didn't personally need to reach out to them for any issues, but it's worth noting that the company's reputation in the industry is solid, and they provide responsive support to businesses with urgent needs. In conclusion, the Waring Commercial MX1300XTS is a powerful and reliable blender that's well suited for businesses needing a high-capacity, high-performance solution. Its programmable features and strong motor make it a great choice for commercial environments where speed, power, and consistency are crucial. While it may not be the best option for casual home users due to its size, noise level, and price, if you're in the market for a blender that can handle heavy-duty use and streamline your workflow, this one is worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or thoughts about this product, feel free to leave a comment below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more in-depth reviews. Goodbye till next time, and remember, there's always more inside Reviews Inside TV.